Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap app. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of BikeMap and you will click here in this window. Then here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. As you see, we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of BikeMap. Here you will install your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.